The current price of this Arcane is around 2000 platinum. Yes, it's expensive. What does melee duplicate do? In short, it doubles our melee hits when we hit yellow crit. It can have double status proc on one hit, meaning tier 1 crits. The question now is it better than RedCrit? Let's do an example. With a weapon with 100 base damage and 2 times base crit damage, slap on some pressure point and element. Multiply it with the crit multiplier and melee duplicate get to this final damage. Now if the weapon red crits, we get the similar results. So that means that RedCrit is equally as good as melee duplicate. No. Because to Warframe's crit math equation, it will work different when we have more than 2 times crit multiplier. Let's add organ shatter here. Now there is a difference. RedCrit is stronger than proccing our melee duplicate. Also take note, melee duplicate is stronger than orange crit, but RedCrit is stronger than melee duplicate. Therefore melee duplicate is between with orange crit and RedCrit. Knowing that RedCrit is better than melee duplicate, is it worth to use melee duplicate? After the bloodrush nerf years ago, many melee weapon now cannot reach RedCrits with bloodrush. Therefore yes, it is worth to use melee duplicate, but its price currently is not worth it. Let's wait for the next update for that guarantee drop. Let's see which weapon are good with duplicate. Any hybrid weapon with low crit chance. Before anything else, melee duplicate works with heavy attacks. Tenekai will be perfect for this. Glaive works with melee duplicate, causing like a second explosion, but melee crescendo can make glaives to hit red crits. It's up to you, what do you want to use? Sun and Moon, perfect weapon to use with Tenekai and melee duplicate. Sun and Moon has a 12 times heavy attack damage, plus it hits multiple times. Tonfas are great. With its stance sovereign outcast block combo, you can hit a wide area of enemies, plus it hits multiple times, and each hit procs melee duplicate. Here is a weird build in Nikana Prime, since when you put bloodrush you can reach orange crits easily, but we can use 2 gladiator set for the low crit chance bonus proccing melee duplicate. Lastly, you can force to have a yellow crit on some weapon. Just lower your bloodrush on some weapons and it will do well. Melee duplicate is a strong arcane. Keep in mind, when using melee duplicate it's better to have status on your weapon to use it to its fully potential. In glaives and gunblade weapons it's up to you when you will want to use melee crescendo or melee duplicate. Crescendo offers the maximum damage but will need to set up to reach that 12 times combo. Duplicate offers no setup but with good or great damage. There will be more info in the descriptions below on some weapons. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.